Alright, well, besides some sprung springs and funky. Oop, come on, get out. Everything is here. So, yep, it is a reverse plunger system. As we all know, it's all we've been taught from day one, once subscribed to r/nerf. Now, somebody wants to know if there's enough space for a Longshot plunger tube. Give me a second here and we'll find out. For this job we will need calipers. And they're not in there. You'll also need a Longshot plunger tube and other internals, perhaps for reference. I just so happen to have in my EOLD Alpha Kit box, ignore that, a Longshot plunger tube and other components necessary to find out what else you need. Do I have the dark booster? I do not. Oh well. We'll have to make do. Alright, so for the plunger tube itself, it will be larger than 60 centimeters. No, I'm joking. It's about 58, or if we take the end as well, 0.3, so it's about 61 millimeters. And it is approximately 14.9, 15 millimeters in width, sorry, diameter. And then if we want to account for these, it's going to be, oops, I'm looking at inches. What am I doing? Alright, so 150 plus, so about 158, 159 millimeters by 38 millimeters for diameter, and then including these, this will be 41 and a half, 42, also 41 and a half. If you wanted to go by the larger one, that's 43, 42, and then if you want to go from the widest to the widest, it's about 44, 45 millimeters. And you'll have to do some shaving, but there's not a lot of room in here. Not a lot of room. $41. How was this again? 37. You know, if you probably took off the screw caps and somehow rested this up on here, you know what? No. That's not at all going to work. Unless you completely shave this out so that you can pull back your plunger. Then you'll have to somehow reverse engineer this to actually go on the reverse side for the catch mechanism. Nope, unfortunately, this will not convert easily to a Longshot direct plunger system. We can just tell by looking at the plunger, because this plunger has to be somewhere around here in order for the dart gate. I mean, well, how do you say the dart tooth? The dart acceptance tube? The thing that goes inside here, or on top of this part, that basically encapsulates the dart. And in the stock Longshot, it is its own barrel, basically. The rest of whatever's at the front end is faux barrel. Not help you one bit. I could be wrong, though, so help me in confirming that, or not. Yeah. Yeah. Mm-hmm. 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 Mm-mm. Nope. I mean, if you work really hard at it, you could, but I do not want to fabricate a new part that goes this way and a catch system over here. You'd basically have to either cut this down somehow, and that would decrease the stroke, allowing you to maybe put a catch mechanism at this end here. So yeah, unless you want to somehow maybe cut up another demolisher, maybe between these points, or here, or maybe even just this part, and totally shave off the handle part, you could effectively extend it so you get some more room in there. They say epoxy putty is your best friend in those scenarios, so I wish you luck, my fellow deployers. I wish you luck.